Summertime.
Hey, what's up? It is Babs, and today I am driving a 2016 Buick Verano for my good friends at ABC AUTOTRADER. And you have to see the outside. It's like a pearl white. It's a small, compact, lightweight, and it's very good on gas. This car has a touch screen, so all you gotta do is touch it and listen to the station that you want to listen to. Of course, it'll be Wow 94.1. It also has dual climate and heated seats. I mean, there are some times in Tampa where it gets really cold. Well, cold to us in Florida is like below 70 degrees, where you will need these heated seats. You know what? This car can be yours, even if you have bad credit or no credit, because ABC AUTOTRADER is the only dealership in Tampa that helps people with bad credit get into a car like this.
Can take